This video will explain the rule of conjunctive argument. So like the rule of disjunctive argument, the rule of conjunctive argument has two versions or two forms. But both of these forms work basically the same way. So the idea is this. If you have a negated conjunction, and then you also have one of the conjuncts of that negated conjunction, well, then you can derive the negation of the other conjunct. So here's how it works. So if you know that the statement, it's false that P and Q is true, well, then the conjunction P and Q must be false. Well, in order for the conjunction P and Q to be false, either P must be false, or Q must be false, or they could both be false. But if then you also know that one of the conjuncts is true, so say you know P is true, then you know it must be the other conjunction that is false. So that's why you can, from it's false that P and Q, and from P, you can derive not Q. Or, if you had it's false that P and Q, and then you also had Q, then you could derive not P. This rule is not my favorite rule. I kind of don't find it that intuitive. I kind of have to think through it every time I use it. Maybe because it's just not one I use all the time, but there are times when it comes in handy. So it's a useful rule to have around.